Hello, this is Chaak-ming Lau. In this taster class, I'm going to show you how to create a chatbot using Amazon Lex. When you send a message to a company's inbox on social media platforms, there's a high chance that you are talking to a chatting robot, or chatbot in short, instead of a real person. With knowledge in linguistics and digital technology, you can actually create a chatbot by yourself without writing any programming code. Let's get started. Follow these steps and pause if you need to. This is the landing page of Amazon Lex. You'll need to create a free account before moving on. Once that's done, come back to this page and click on Get Started with Amazon Lex. Get started, and then create bot. I want to create a chatbot to handle admission-related inquiries. Let's call this bot Admission Bot. We can use the default settings. We need to create a role with basic Amazon Lex permissions. Choose No for Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, and then Next. This is an English bot, so I'll keep the default settings, and then Done. Now you can start configuring your bot. As a first step, you need to create intents, which refer to the types of potential requests from the users. Intents are your classification of what the users will do when they interact with your bot. Like saying hi is an intent, checking the application deadline is an intent, checking the admission requirements is yet another intent. We need to define these intents and teach the bot how to handle them. Let's implement the application deadline intents together. I'll name it deadline. I'll go to intent name and type deadline here. We need to tell the bot several possible ways to ask the same question. Now go to sample utterances, click on plain text, and type in several ways to ask the same question, like what is the admission deadline? When should I apply? When is the application due? What is the due date? There are many other ways to ask the same question, and those will be taken care of by AI. Next, we need to teach the bot how to fulfill an intent. Now go to fulfillment. And there is only one answer to this intent. I'm going to type in my answer to unsuccessful fulfillment. We can now save the intent and build the bot. The bot is now ready for testing. Let's give it a try. Click test, and you can type a message here. So my message will be, hey, what's the deadline for the application? Enter. Here you go. The bot correctly identifies the intent and returns the intended answer. If I type some other questions, it may not work. Let's say, how do I get to @UHK? Intent fallback intent is fulfilled. It will return an error. We can add more intents to handle other queries, and we can add more logic to build a better chatbot. Thank you. That's all for now. See you at @UHK.